Hi dear students, the last class we discussed about the control statements. Okay, what is the use of control statements? These are used in programs. When you given the instruction to the computer, must and should you have to use a control statements. Okay, it is also comes in a problem solving techniques. It is also you have to solve the problem through control statements. Okay, so you know control statement, how many types of control statements you have? There are three types of control statements. First one is a sequential control statement, second one is a selection statement, third one is a looping statement. Sequential statements means here the statements are executed one by one sequentially. Okay, last class we discussed about this. Okay, the second one is a selection statements. Selection statement, it consists of one condition. Okay, if condition is true, then statements will be executed. If condition false, the statement cannot be executed. Okay, see this is last class you discussed about this. See, in selection statement, how many types of selection statement you have? There are four types of selection statements. In that, the first one is a simple if. Then second one is a if else. Third one is a if else if. The fourth one is a switch statements. Okay, must and should everyone you have to practice these syntax and example. Okay, every year these questions are asked in the annual exams. Okay, if ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ದೀಸ್. Okay, how to write a syntax of if else, how to write an example for a if else. Okay, how to write the example for a if else if. Okay, how to write a syntax and example for a switch statements. Okay, these are the selection statements. Must and should you have to remember these are very much helpful for your next career when you go for degrees. Okay, must and should everyone should learn these again. Okay, these statements. Okay, that's why because of your next career. Okay, these are very very important. Okay, see this you discuss about the selection statements. In that you discuss about the if else if if else, then switch statements. Okay, then today class we have to discuss about these looping statements. See that this is the third control statement. Okay, the looping. What is looping? Looping, in a simple word, these are called repetition. Okay, simple word is called as repetition antaradike. See, the looping also it is called a iteration. Okay, or repetition. Okay, repetition, where you have to use these. Okay, in programs, when you are doing programs. Okay, when you are solving the problems through computer, these are also we have to use in a computer. Okay, see, looping statement. What is the looping? First you have to remember what is looping ant keltane. Looping means the set, it allows the user to, the set of statement can be executed again and again until the condition will be true. Okay, the set of statements, any statement if you want to execute again and again. Okay, again and again, then we have to use repeatedly. If you want to execute that statement repeatedly, then we have to use a looping statements. Okay, looping statement na use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಒಂದು 100 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಅದೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು in computer. In computer, if you want to display same statement, for example, hi C++, this is one sentence. I want to display this sentence 100 times. Okay, in computer, then you have to use these loops. These loops you have to use it. Okay, for example, your name, I want to display your name. For example, I want to display Bapuji PU College 100 times. 100 times I want to display this name. Then what you have to do, you have to use a looping statements. Okay, looping means repetition. Okay, one time you have to write it in computer, but it display 100 times. Okay, this is a looping statement. Okay, in looping statement there are three types of looping statements you have. Okay, three types of looping statement. One is a while loop. In that, first one is a while loop. The second one is a do while loop. The third one is a for loop. Okay, while loop. Then second one is a do while. The third one is a for loop. Okay, see, then what is while loop, how it will work? Okay, that you have to study. In every annual exams, this question will be commonly asked in the annual exams. Okay, for 5 marks. Okay, 5 marks ಗೆ ಈ question ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, definitely ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, see, what is while loop? How to write a syntax and example for while loop? Okay, that you have to study. Okay, what is while loop? While loop is a pre-tested loop. It is also called pre-tested. Pre-test. First you have to test the condition, then statements are executed here. Okay, here the first it tests the condition, then the statements are executed again and again. Okay, what is the use of while loop? What is the use of while loop? It allows it execute the set of statements again and again. It executes the set of statements again and again until the condition will be true. Until the condition will be true. That is called a while statement. Okay, still you are not understanding. If you know the example, then only you can understand. Okay, see, I am writing one example. See how to write. Or first you have to know the syntax. Syntax of a while loop. Why? How to write while loop? While by the first loop, then you have to write a condition. While, then write a condition. Okay, then in brace, this is open brace, this is a closed brace. Okay, in open brace you have to write a statements. Okay, this is what this is called a syntax of a while loop. While condition, it consists of condition. If condition true, then these statements are executed again and again. Okay, then what is while loop now? While loop means these statements are executed again and again until the condition will be true. Until the condition will be true. That is called what a while loop anta. This is syntax ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, rules. ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗೆ, then it will give a correct answer. Okay, see, this is called a while. Okay, I am writing one example. Okay, I am taking this, I am writing one example. Example means I want to display Bapuji College 100 times. 100 times I want to display. Then how to write? Same to same. While I is how many times greater less than equal to 100. For example, I equal to 100. I am writing Cout BIPU college. BIPU. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. In computer it gives 100 times it display the BIPU. How it means? First I am taking 1. Starting I am taking I equal to 1. That you have to assume that I equal to 1. Then 1 how much? This is 1 I under ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 is less than equal to 100. yes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ? BIPU. It print the BIPU. Next I am I equal to I plus 1. I equal to I plus 1. I ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2. So I 1 ಇತ್ತು. 1 plus 1 2 ಆಯಿತು 2. Next it comes here. Okay, 2 is less than equal to 100. yes means ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ BIPU. Then next time 2 plus 1 how much? 3 ಆಯಿತು 3. Then 3 is less than equal to 100. next time ಮತ್ತೆ BIPU ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Then 3 plus 1 4. okay, if you given 5 here, okay, if you given 5, then it display the BIPU 5 times. Got it? Okay, this is what, this is a example. This is an example for a while loop. Okay, means what? Then what is while loop? While loop always it consists of one condition. If condition is true, the statements are executed again and again, not one time. These statements are executed again and again until this condition will be true. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಬರೆದಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರೂ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈಲ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸಿ ದೆನ್ ವೈಲ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಟೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೀ ಟೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್, ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಟೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್, ದೆನ್ it execute the statements. That's why it is called pre-tested loop. In examination they will ask which is the pre-tested loop. While loop is the pre-tested loop. Okay, first one, if a condition true then only it allows, otherwise no. Condition true ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. Got it? Okay, control comes to inside. Got it? This is what this is a how. For example, another example I will tell you. I want to display, I want to print 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. I want to display 1 2 3 4 5. Then how to display? By using while loop. By using while loop, how to display? See, I am writing here while, take condition, first I equal to, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 1 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, y is less than equal to 5. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಸಿ ಔಟ್. ಸಿ ಔಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಐ. ಸಿ ಔಟ್ ಬರೆದು ಈ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ದಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ದಿ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಐ. Then I equal to I plus 1, then close the brace. Okay, see, while I andre estiде 1, 1 is less than equal to 5. Yes, yes andre ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. I estiದೆ first time 1, it will display 1. Then next time I 1 ಇದೆ, 1 plus 1 2, 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 is less than equal to 5. Yes, yes means ಮತ್ತೆ 2 will be displayed. Then 2 plus 1 3. Next ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 is less than equal to 5. Yes, yes means ಮತ್ತೆ 3 display ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 plus 1 4 is less than equal to 5. Yes, yes means 4 will be displayed. 4 plus 1 5. Okay, 5, see, 5 will be displayed. 5 is less than equal to 5. Yes, yes. 5 plus 1 6 ಆಯಿತು, 6 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 6 is less than equal to 5. No, no means it is stop. Okay, it's to stop the calculating. Okay, means what? Until the condition will be true. If condition is true, the statements are executed again and again. Okay, the statements are executed again and again. This is called, how to do this? This is called, this is a while loop. Okay, in examination ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, see, write a syntax, example and flow chart. How to write a flow chart? ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು flow chart ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. See here I am writing flow chart. while ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ take condition. condition ಗೆ always you have to use robust condition. Okay na? Condition. Then here take a statements. These if condition true itande statements are executed again and again. Statements are executed again and again until condition will be. If condition false, stop. Condition false ಆತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. See, if condition true, the statements are executed again and again. Okay, this is what you ought to remember. In examination so many times ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ, explain while loop with the syntax and example. ಓಕೆ ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ 5 marks. Okay, see then what is while loop now? It is a pre-tested loop. First of all condition will be checked, then statements are executed. That's why it is called a pre-tested loop antaradike. See in this you know the syntax. Always while you have to write in small letter, always these statements you must and should you have to write in small letters. Okay, small letters alli baribekagutte. Got it? Okay, this is what this is about the syntax. ಓಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ ನೀವು 100 ಬರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ. ಓಕೆ ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 100 ಕೊಟ್ಟಂದರೆ 100 1 to 100 ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿತಿನ್ ಎ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. Okay, this is you have to remember these logic. Okay, this is what this is about a while loop. Okay, then see the second one is a do while loop. How it is do while. See, do while, it is the opposite of a while loop. It is the opposite of a while. Okay, what is do while loop? Do while loop is also called post tested loop. Post tested, it is also called post tested loop. How it will work? Okay, how it will work? It is also used to here the condition will see the statements are executed again and again until condition will be true. Okay, both are having same definition but syntax will be difference. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ syntax will difference ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Do while ಇದೆ. How to write a syntax for do while? First you do ಬರಿಬೇಕು, then one open brace, then you have to write a statements, then brace while you ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ while then condition. Must ensure you have to put the semicolon. This is what this is the syntax of while. Do while. Syntax of do while will be first to do, then statements, then while condition. Okay, this is what you have to remember this. Okay, then see how to write a, it is also called post tested loop. Post tested means first statements are executed, after that condition will be checked. But in while loop it is pre-tested, first condition will be checked, then after that statements are executed. Okay, this is called post tested loop. First statements are executed. Okay, statements are executed, then condition will be checked. Okay, this is what this is a while loop. That's why its name is post tested loop. In examination they will ask you which is the post tested loop. Okay, do while. Okay, then how to write an example? Example ಬರಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ it's very easy. Same example I am writing do ಬರಿಬೇಕು, then I am writing here statements are like see out I, then I equal to I plus 1, then condition ಬರೀರಿ while, same condition I am writing ulta while see I is less than equal to 5, semicolon I equal to 1. First time I see out display madu. See out means display it. I ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 1 will be displayed, then I plus 1 plus 1 2 is less than equal to 5. yes means ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 will be displayed. Then next time 2 plus 1 3 is less than equal to 5. Yes, 3 will be displayed. Then 3 plus 1 4 is less than equal to 5. Yes means then 4 will be displayed. 4 plus 1 4 is less than equal to 5. Yes means 4 then 4 plus 1 5 is less than equal to 5. Yes, 5 will be displayed. Next item 5 plus 1 6 is less than equal to 5. No, stop means these are numbers are displayed. in computer. Okay, if you write like this much code means it will display. Okay, for example, I want to display your name. I want to display your name 100 times. Then how to write? See, I want to display the name of Bapuji. I want to display 100 times. I want to display the name of Bapuji. Then how to write? And then I equal to I plus 1, same. Then while y equal to I less than equal to 100. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು 100 times Bapuji display ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 100 times Bapuji will give any one example. You have to write it. ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. This is the syntax, this is the example. Then how to write a flow chart. ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ okay, any statements like input output statement, you must and should you have to use rectangle. Then after that you know the condition ಗೆ rhombus use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. condition, okay. Then condition true ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ statements are executed. True condition true ಆತಂದ್ರೆ statements are executed again and again. If it is false ಆತಂದ್ರೆ stop. false ಆತಂದ್ರೆ stop ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. You have to use oval for this. Okay, statements. This then example. Then you have to know this syntax. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Okay, then in examination they will ask you write a difference between while loop and do while loop. Okay, write a difference between while loop and do while loop. See, while loop it is a pre-tested loop, but do while loop it is a post-tested loop. Okay, then while loop means first it check the condition, after that statements are executed in a while loop. But in a do while loop, first statements are executed and after that the condition will be true. After that condition will be checked. Okay, this is you have to remember. You have to write a syntax of while loop, you have to write a syntax of do while loop, write a flow chart of do while, write a flow chart of a while loop. Okay, see, it's very easily see the difference. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಅ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ while loop and do while. Okay, these are very very important. These are used in programs. When you are writing program, definitely you can use these in a program. Okay, you have to practice it. Okay, practice it. Later you can discuss. Okay, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತದೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದೀಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಥಿಯರಾಟಿಕಲಿ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರಲ್ಲಿ. ಹೌ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಇನ್ another next classes. Okay, this is what this is about looping statements. Okay, these are all in looping statement. Today you have to discuss about 2 looping statement. One is while, second one is a do while. Okay, this is or looping means repetition. Statements are repeated again and again until condition will be true. Okay, this is what this is about looping statements. Okay, next class we discuss about the another topic. Okay, thank you for watching this video.